Hi everyone, Brad here. Welcome to our Maintenance Monday this week. I'm standing here in front of this Interstate 24 GT, and I want to go over with you the maintenance from your manual, just to hit the highlights to ensure that you are doing all the proper steps to keep your rig in good working order. Now, just a reminder, these things are from Airstream only for the Airstream portion of your driving model, but the Mercedes aspect of this vehicle has its own maintenance schedule and own maintenance recommendations, and you should be checking those out to ensure that you're doing all the proper steps and procedures that will keep your rig lasting long into the future. Let's go check out the first thing you should do. Every 1,000 miles or 60 days, there's a few things you should do. First thing is check your smoke detector back here and your propane and CO detector down here at the bottom. It has a tester. Just push the button. Next thing you should do is down here in your circuit breaker panel is check your Gfci tester. So you can test it by pushing the button here, or you can use your circuit tester in one of the circuits. Next piece is to check your tire pressure. It can be done with any standard tire pressure checker, and your tire pressure can be found over in the door jamb of the driver's side. Next piece is every 5,000 miles or 90 days. Step A is to lubricate your step here. Then you need to verify your lug nut torque is appropriate. Back here in this bumper, if you're towing anything, you have a 7-way pin. You need to verify that your pins are clean and they're greased up appropriately. The next portion of your inspection process and maintenance schedule is every 10,000 miles or 6 months. Thing A is to all your door seals, all the rubber seals all the way around, all the doors. They say put slippy cone on them. Airstream recommends there's a brand called 303. 303, you can get the wipes or the spray. It works really fantastic on all these rubber seals. Then you would check your tires, verify all your tires have appropriate tread. Then you would wax the exterior. Use Airstream recommends Walburnized wax. We sell the wash and the wax here should you need some, but keep your rig in beautiful, shiny, silver condition. Every year with your driving model, you need to check your batteries. So you have house batteries back here in the back and you have car batteries up front. Make sure that the connectors are not corroded, and check just general welfare of the battery. The next thing you need to do is to have your propane tank purged. So go to a propane supplier, have them purge the whole tank, refill it. Then check your seams. So up on the roof, get up on the ladder, check all the rubber seams where your roof vents and your skylights and everything else is up there. Then your interior cabinets. So open up the doors to your interior cabinets, check all the screws, check all the latches, make sure all those things are operating as they should. That's an annual maintenance. Finally, your maintenance for your Airstream portion of this rig is for your generator. Your initial 20 hours of runtime on your generator, you need to change the oil, and then every 100 to 150 hours thereafter. That's it for the maintenance side of your Airstream. Check your owner's manual. These things are very fantastic and give you guidance on how to do most things in your rig. Plus, all of them have this little QR code up top where you can scan and get more information should you need it. That's it for this Maintenance Monday. Have a great day, everyone, and happy adventures.